Hi friends, this video shows how to enable bold text. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select display and brightness. And here we can see bold text. Let me enable it and see what is the difference. Tap here. So you can see this text has changed. Now it's bold. Let me disable it and see. So when I enable and disable, you can see the difference here. See, so this way we can enable or disable bold text. Let me make it bold, then go back. See, so this is the difference. Let me disable it. See, okay, so this way we can enable bold text. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.